Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Milestone and my channel is all about finding your passion, fulfilling your potential and achieving your goals. It's the end of Ramadan, a month where Muslims spend the month fasting, spend more time with family, increase their prayers, increase their good deeds and increase their charity as well, all whilst maintaining the daily bustle of their everyday lives. With Ramadan coming to a close, here are 3 lessons we can all learn from the month, whether we're Muslim or not. The first point is reflection. So Ramadan is essentially a month of reflection. It's a recognition that we live really fast-paced lives and we're always thinking about the today. Ramadan is one time in the year where we all stop, take a look at our lives as we fast, as we all automatically break our routines. Our breakfast, snack, dinner, and lunch routines, even our sleep routines are totally different. And by breaking our routines, we are forced to take a good look at our lives and recalibrate. We start thinking of things like, do I like the habits that I have? Am I happy with what I've achieved this year? Am I happy at where I am in life? What needs to change? What can I do to improve myself? It's kind of like setting a New Year's resolution, except we've got the whole month to reflect on where we are versus where we want to be. So the key learning point here is, whether you're fasting or not, to take some time off and break away from your normal routine to reflect on where you are in life. Look at where you are, what you're doing, your habits, and think, are you where you want to be? And if not, what do you need to do to get there? The second key takeaway is habit building. We've all read a million articles about how long it takes to build habits. In fact, I've made my own video about this and I'll add a link in the description below. So if you want to learn more about how to build good habits, check that video out. So Ramadan is really a great opportunity for Muslims to reflect on the positive habits we can implement in our everyday lives. But Muslims also believe that the reward for any good deed is multiplied by 70 during the month of Ramadan, which is a great incentive to go ahead and build those positive habits during the month. And building good incentives are really key to make habits that stick for a long time. Another important point here is, when someone breaks their normal routine by staying away from food, they have to build a new routine for the month. So the key learning point here is, find something that's fixed in your daily routine and change it. It could be your meal times, the time you wake up, when you work out, but pick one, and as you build your new routine, think about a new daily habit that you want to incorporate. So think of something small, because small habits that you maintain consistently over a long period of time can deliver the best results. So again here, think about what you want to achieve and what you want to incorporate as part of your daily life. My final point is, strength comes from struggle. Look, I'm going to be honest, sometimes it can be a struggle to fast for 18 hours whilst working, commuting, exercising, and whatever else is part of my daily routine. This definitely doesn't mean that I dislike Ramadan. I actually love it. It's the total opposite. But this does show that we're all human and it is a challenge. Now, fasting isn't easy, but it's not designed to be. Otherwise, there'd be no lessons to learn from it. Within Ramadan, we all face our own personal challenges, whether that's being thirsty, craving a nice cup of tea, struggling with the heat. Ramadan really teaches us that we all encounter our own personal challenges in life, and that's okay. However, Ramadan also shows us with difficulty comes ease. We receive great spiritual, emotional, mental and physical benefits from overcoming these challenges, and ultimately it teaches us, whatever the challenge, we can cope with it and ultimately we'll come out stronger. So those are my 3 key takeaways. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment below, let me know if those key takeaways helped you, and if you haven't already, subscribe, because I've got lots more content to come. So thanks for watching, and let's keep chasing those goals.